Well, I had some packages come in today, and we're going to see what these are because I really don't know. I think it's something for the wife, but I canceled all the packages that were supposed to be coming for the wife. I had a package coming for me, which was a cheap action camera. So I could probably fool around with a cheap action camera to see if I could get it to work. I usually film everything on my Google phone. Works great. Or I use my Samsung phone. I just have a couple of phones I like to use for filming. So, but the wife wanted something that she could wear to do her horse stuff. Oh, I think this is the wife's camera in this one. Oh, yeah, this is the wife's camera. Oh, that's going to be nice. Yeah, the wife wanted a nice camera to use for filming her horse videos. Should check her out, Lunatic Bunny on YouTube. She has nice horse videos on there. She helps out at a friend's farm, and she's always there. And she's always making new horse videos. And she's learning to ride a horse, which I really didn't want. But this is the, how do you pronounce that? I should turn off this light. It's so bright on this camera. But the AKASO Brave 4. I would butcher the name of this, so I'm not going to say it. But, yeah, she's going to like this. This looks like a very nice camera. Believe me, it wasn't cheap. This wasn't cheap. But here's the story on this. It was bought from Best Buy online. They weren't telling me where the camera was. And I was talking to them. They got upset with me and wouldn't tell me where it was when I was asking, okay, where's the shipping details? I want to know where the camera is. And they got upset with me. So I said, okay, well, forget you guys. I want to cancel the camera. I'll just buy it someplace else. And they said, nope, we're not canceling it. I says, no, cancel the camera. They didn't want to cancel it. So I said, oh, okay, don't cancel it. Well, it didn't come for like it said it was, and I couldn't tell where it was. I didn't even know if it was on the way or anything. I wanted to cancel it. So I got a hold of my credit card company, and I canceled the payment. So let's just say I still got to pay for this though. So I got a hold of them again after I know this was probably it, and paid for it. It's all paid for again. So I had to do that. But Brave 4, this looks like a cute little camera. I can't wait for the wife to try this out. And who knows? Maybe I'll make some videos with this and get into all that fun stuff of lots and lots of editing. My phone does a lot of editing for me on my phone, but I have this other package. I think this is the accessory package. Oh yeah, this is the accessory package. It's just a ton of accessories. You can use this camera for just about anything now. It will attach to anything. So I'll let her figure all that out. I don't want to figure it out. That's a lot of stuff in here. It's pretty neat. Yeah. By the way, this accessory package was extra, but it was on sale, so I bought it when I got the camera. So, and, well, they did send it, but they wouldn't tell me where it was, so they left me no choice. Now, to compete with the wives, I had to compete with the wives. I got her this, and I was saying, I can be cheaper. And, I am cheaper. I am a guy who likes to get things that are inexpensive. So what did I do? I ordered my camera. This one will be my camera. I'm going to be embarrassed to show you probably. Cut this open. I haven't opened it, but I do know probably that this is my cheap camera that came in. And good old Canada Post. They did tell me this was coming in, though. So let's see what I got. I got a box that seems to be kind of squished. And I got a sports cam. Wow. There's the specs on it. Look at that. Doesn't that one look just as good as that one? Doesn't that? Looks like they copied it. But come on. Doesn't that look as good as that? No, it doesn't. That one is definitely way more expensive than this one, which cost me, well, I'd be embarrassed to tell you how much this cost me, but yeah, this one actually did cost me only $23 on the Walmart online store. So, but it came with a few attachments, so, you know, there, you can look at the side here. There's some attachments here that it came with. Ooh, hey, you see, it's got the waterproof housing too, so how bad can it be? Oh, my cats are here. They're checking this out now. They're like, you're such a moron for buying the cheap one. Yeah, I know. But, well, we'll see whose puts out better video, or we'll see even if mine actually works. See, packaging compared to mine, wow, this sure is nice. You know, I'm just going to tell her this one's hers, and I think I'll take this one, and just hope she never watches this video. But this package actually came with a lot of stuff in it too. What's in the box? So, wow. I'm going to be jealous. And this one is a 4K action camera. Mine, though, is a full HD 1080. So, hey. Well, what can I say? This is what I picked up. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to be using this very much since I use my phone's cameras, which actually do a really good job. And my newest one, the Google phone, tapes in 4K and does all sorts of great stuff. I really like my Google phone. My Samsung is just okay, which, you know, it's okay. But, yeah, this is pretty cool. Kind of excited that we finally got it for the wife. I didn't really care that I got mine. But for the wife, and now she can start figuring it out and learning how to make better videos for her in her riding and all of her horse stuff. This should actually make her pretty happy. So there you go, honey. This is your this year anniversary present. Yeah, she's gonna like that. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you'll see me put out a video or two with the good old HD action camera there. And watch hers to see if she puts out any on this Brave 4 here. I think she will. I think she's really going to like it. But yes, thanks for watching. And yeah, continue watching. I'll continue to make videos. Well, usually great videos, but I don't know about this one.